In front of me is Honorpad V9, and today I would like to show you how you can turn on and use keyboard Clipboard. Begin by launching your keyboard and tapping on Clipboard at the top of it. Now to activate it, use this switcher at the top right corner. And to go back to standard keyboard, this arrow at the top left one. Now to use Clipboard, copy or cut any text. And to paste it instantly, tap on it at the top of your keyboard. To paste it later on, but within an hour, click on Clipboard and tap on your text over here. If you want to paste it after an hour, you need to pin it or it will disappear from Clipboard. To do that, hold your text, wait for this pop-up to show up, and when it does, select Pin. You can unpin it the same way. If you want to delete it, you can hold it again and tap on Delete option, or simply swipe it to the right. You can also access all of those options by clicking on this pen at the top right corner. To disable Clipboard completely, tap on the same switcher as before. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!